My name is Mardiya. I'm 17 years old. For the first 5 years of my life, I grew up in Brixton. Well, I knew I had like a sense of potential, but I didn't know I had potential to the extent, like, because when we were told to design what I designed, I'm even considering bringing it to life in the future after I gain more knowledge. Yeah, that would be very, very interesting. Social issue that I designed was discrimination and prejudice towards girls who wear hijab, because I feel like most people aren't educated about it and they don't understand our emotions. It's easy to be said, and I just want something that I do to be very, very different and not fit into the social norm. I feel like if people were to see my design, a hijab with pockets, no one has that. I just want to use my ideas and my knowledge to help make a difference in a way.